Yeah, I wanted to put up this shade cloth for them. They have some extra shade, actually quite a bit of shade with our 30 by 40 structure, but I wanted to give them a little bit extra. They usually have a mud pit right there, but this completely dried out. And I built this little wooden structure. It's pretty much just for a post. A couple years ago, and we usually fill this up with water, so it's like kind of like a mud pool, and they like to be in there. But if it's so hot, I want to have it covered, because we have around 100-degree days right now. And yeah, I usually put up the shade cloth in July, and then we're gonna fill up, or right now we are filling it up actually. So they have a mud pit or like a little pool there. In addition to that, I gave them some hay. I'm gonna have them break this up a little bit more, and then I'm gonna roll them out, so it's like a nice layer of hay everywhere there, so it's not on bare ground. I mean, there's still some hay on the ground, but not much. So I was in the mood for some kielbasa sausage, but I didn't have any sausage links on hand, so I mixed some ground pork with typical kielbasa seasoning and simply rolled them into little sausage-style meat rolls. No casing or really any special equipment needed here. It's very simple, and I think that's a really easy idea for anyone wondering what to make with ground pork. Oh, good.
I want to taste it? I want to taste that one?
Okay, perfect. Well, we have a pig. I think she might be in labor. She's in milk already, and she doesn't want to eat anything. And she kind of like built her nest here a little bit. So it's usually a big sign that she will have babies tonight or tomorrow. I don't like how she lays there between the hay bale and the fence, though. I might gonna move the hay bale a little bit. Girl, wanna get up? Let's see if we have piggies. We have piglets. Huh, girl? How's it going? It's okay, girl. I think 11. Hi, muchachos. Okay, today we're gonna load up some pigs. We're already messing with my bucket here.
What's happening here?
Finn, you have to stay outside. I just want to get out of here. Oh, guys, why are you all of a sudden so scared? Go this way. No. Hey, shh, 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 shh. No, no. Hey, shh, shh, shh. Go. Yeah, turn around. Shh, shh. No. Shh. Hey. Let's go. No. Go. Go around. I want you in there, actually. Shh. We got one too much in here. Plus the smallest one is all the way in the front. I only need 4. Well, this went faster than I thought. We got 5 in there now. Actually, I just had 4 scheduled for processing.
Hey, Baba. We are going to the piece.
Just leave it there. And but I just called the processor, and they're okay with 5 processing tomorrow. So I'm going to leave them all in there, the 5 in the trailer, because they're all big enough. I actually have a couple more for processing, but I don't want to put too many pigs in there. It's pretty hot. And well, a bunch of small ones here too, but I think we have still 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, definitely 5 good sized ones that we could bring to the processor. But we'll probably bring them in next month. Buddy, you're not big enough yet.